Hey everyone, in today's video I'm going to show you how to fix the microphone not working issue on Google Meet. So let's get started. First, open your browser and search for meet.google.com and log in with your credentials. Once you are in, go to your browser's settings. Now here look for the search bar at the top left side. Now here search for the microphone option. Once you click on this, here you will see your microphone option from the drop down menu. Make sure that your microphone is turned on and connected to the correct device. Now look for the allow use to your microphone. Make sure Google Meet is allow to use your browser's microphone. Once everything was done, go back to Google Meet and refresh the page. And that's it. Your device is restarted and your mic should be now working perfectly on Google Meet. So that's all for today. Thank you for watching.